Good morning, students. In the previous class, we discussed about the logic gates. Here, basic logic gates, universal gates, and special gates are there. So, we remember each gate symbol and truth table. Okay, ma? We remember each gate symbol and a truth table. That is very, very important. Okay? If you see the basic gates, so the basic gates are AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate. Okay, ma. AND gate means this is the symbol. Two input AND gate is considered here. The AND gate expression is A dot B. If you see the truth table, this is the truth table. Here we are having two inputs. Two inputs means four combinations we are getting. Those are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. The expression is A dot B. This is like a multiplication. That's why here 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay, ma. Compulsory you remember these truth tables and logic gate symbols. Okay, then only you understand the next topics. Okay, all of you practice this. So the next one is OR gate. Two input OR gate is taking A and B are inputs. The expression for OR gate is A plus B. Y is equal to A plus B. This is the truth table. This is like addition operation. Okay, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, amma, logical and OR operation. This will be. Okay, next NOT gate means this is having only one input and one output. The output is complement of the input. Okay, ma, the output of NOT gate is complement of the input or inversion of the input. Okay, that's why this is also called as inverter. Okay, so A bar, only one input is there. So two combinations are getting. Those two combinations are 0 and 1 only. Okay, if the input is 0, then the output is 1. If input is 1, the output is 0. Okay, these are basic gates. Next, universal gates. Universal gates. Universal gates means NAND gate and NOR gate are called universal gates. Okay, so here NAND gate means just inversion of AND gate is a NAND gate. That means by adding NOT gate to the AND gate, then we are getting the NAND gate. Okay, Amma. If you observe the AND gate truth table, this is the AND gate truth table, A dot B. Here NAND means A dot B whole bar. Okay, so that's why the output is the inversion of this. Just what is the output of NAND gate here? 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay, that is only here 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay, Amma. Inversion of and. Inversion of and. Next, NOR gate. NOR gate means inversion of OR gate. Okay, A plus B. OR gate plus NOT gate. Then that becomes a NOR gate. So that is the output expression is A plus B whole bar or A plus B whole dash. Okay, Amma. So if you observe the truth table here, what are the outputs we are getting? 0, 1, 1, 1. So here, what are the outputs? 1, 0, 0, 0. Inversion of OR. Complement of OR gate. That is NOR gate. Okay, Amma. Next special gates are XOR gate and XNOR gate. Special gates are XOR gate and XNOR gate. Okay, ma. XOR gate means A exclusive or B. What is the symbol? By taking plus and circle it. This is the symbol for XOR gate. Okay. So here, if you are taking the XOR 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. That means whenever odd number of ones are there, odd number of ones are there, then the output is 1. Okay, the output is 1. If even number of ones are there, the output is 0. That's why this is called odd function. XOR gate is called odd function. Okay, ma. Next, XNOR gate means just opposite this. What is the symbol here? Dot and circle it. Dot, circle it. That is the symbol for XNOR. So XOR gate plus NOT gate is equal to XNOR gate. Just opposite. This is, so this is A XOR B. For this, inversion of this is XNOR gate. Okay, ma. So how the outputs of XNOR gate are getting? 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. That means whenever even number of ones are there, that means 0, 0 combination, 1, 1 combination. The output of XNOR gate is 1. Okay, ma? Whenever odd number of ones are there, 0, 1, 1, 0. For that combination, the output is 0. That's why XNOR gate is called even function. Okay, ma? Even function. Okay, so in the previous class, we are taking exclusive OR gate expansion. Okay, what is the expansion for exclusive OR gate? Okay, and we draw the truth table also. Okay, so XRB means truth table is already over in the previous class. Now we draw the circuit diagram for this expansion. Okay, ma? Here two inputs, A, B. So Y is equal to A XR B. Okay, ma, what is the expansion for this XR B means A bar B plus here this is equal to A bar B plus A B bar. Okay, ma, whenever you know the basic gates, then only you draw this circuit diagram for this. Okay, ma, the basic gates are very, very important to draw any logic diagram. Okay, ma, to draw any logic diagram. How to draw the logic diagram for this expression? Okay, here how many inputs are there? How many inputs are there? Only two inputs, A and B. Okay, so draw like this. So the first, so this is A. All of you listen with concentration. Okay, this will be very useful to you. How to draw the circuit diagram. If you understand this simple expression, then you will understand the next diagram also. Okay, so this is A. Okay, how to get A bar? Actually, in this expression, A bar is also there. How to get A bar? If you connect NOT gate to this A, then that becomes A bar. Okay, Amma? So this line belongs to A bar. Okay, next. Two inputs are there. Okay, this is B. Okay, so how to get B bar? By putting NOT gate, by connecting NOT gate here. So this line belongs to B bar. Okay, ma? So now this expression having two terms, A bar B plus AB bar. A bar B means in between these two dot symbol is there. Whenever dot is there, which gate is used? AND gate is used. Okay, ma? Whenever A bar dot B. So for that we are using AND gate. Okay, so what are the inputs? A bar. A bar means this line A bar. So A bar. So put a dot mark here. So this is A bar. Okay. Next dot B. So another input is here B. So A bar dot B means here AND gate is used. We know the symbol for AND gate. Okay. This is the symbol for AND gate. So this is A bar dot B. Okay, Amma. Next, A dot B bar. A dot B bar. A means here. See here, from where you will start. Here, a dot will be getting. Okay, a dot will be getting like this. Darken this dot. Okay, Amma. Here also darken this dot like this. Okay. Next, A dot B bar. A. This is A. So A. B bar. B bar means where that will be here. This is B bar. So from here. For these two inputs, connect AND gate because dot is there. Okay. Here this is A. This is B bar. Okay, ma? So what is the output here? A dot B bar. Okay. Now, what is the total expression? A bar dot B plus A dot B bar. That means which symbol is that? Plus symbol is there. Between the two terms, plus symbol is there. That means which gate is used? OR gate. OR gate is used. That's why for these two inputs, we are connecting OR gate. OR gate means okay. So this is required expression, that is A bar dot B plus A dot B bar. This is the way how to draw the logic diagram based on the logic gates. Okay, ma, are you understand? Here two inputs are there. Okay, suppose if three inputs are there, then we draw the lines like this. A bar, B bar, C bar. Okay, ma? Are you understand? So this is a way to draw the logic diagram. Okay, y is equal to A exclusive or B. The expression for this is A bar B plus AB bar. This is exclusive OR gate expression. Okay, ma. In the previous class, we justify that table also, truth table. Are you remember? Now the next one is exclusive NOR gate. Exclusive NOR gate. What is the expression for exclusive NOR gate? Okay, are you understand this? How to draw the circuit? The same is also draw like this also. How to draw? First term is A bar B. So A, number of times we will take the same variables here. Okay, this is A. If you learn the gates, then you will easily draw the any diagram. Okay, A bar. So this is B. Okay, this is B. This is A bar dot B. Okay, Next plus A B bar. This is A. How to get B bar? This is B. How to get B bar? By connecting NOT gate, we are getting B bar. So this is B bar. So A dot B bar connecting AND gate. So A dot B bar. Okay. So now these two terms connected with the OR gate. Okay. Plus symbol is there. Okay, Amma? Are you understand? So, but here two times all the variables will be considered two times here in this diagram. Both are same. Okay, these two. So, this is generalized way. This diagram is generalized way for any number of inputs. Okay, Amma? So, if three inputs are there, three lines draw, and for each line we are connecting NOT gate, then we are getting the complement of the corresponding variable. Okay. So then is there dot is there or plus is there? If dot expression is observed, then we are using AND gate. If plus is there, then we are using OR gate. Bar is there, then we are taking NOT gate. Okay, Amma? That is only the procedure here. Okay, now we draw the same for exclusive NOR gate. Okay, are you understand this? Exclusive NOR gate. Exclusive NOR gate means two inputs A, B, Y is equal to A. Exclusive NOR means what is the symbol? Just put a dot and circle it. Okay. So the expression for this exclusive NOR gate is what is the expression? A bar into B bar plus AB. Okay, ma? Is it same or not? We are justifying by using the truth table. Okay. Actually, exclusive NOR gate truth table is this is the exclusive NOR gate dot by circulator. So 001, 010, 100, 111. Okay. Here we are taking this expression. For this expression also we are getting the same outputs. Then we justified that. Okay, Amma. So now take the truth table for this. So how to draw the truth table here? Here A, B, two inputs are there. Okay, four combinations 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, A bar dot B bar. That means we know A bar. How to get A bar? Inversion of A. That means here 0 is there. A bar is 1. A is 0. A bar is 1. A is 1. A bar is 0. A is 1. A bar is 0. Okay. So next B bar is also. We know B. So from this B, we are getting B bar. B is 0, B bar is 1, B is 1, B bar is 0, B is 0, B bar is 1, B is 1, B bar is 0. Okay, Amma. Now A bar dot B bar. So how to get this A bar dot B bar? Like multiplication. How to draw the truth table for the expression. Okay, ma. So by using this, we know how to draw the truth table. This is called truth table. Okay, for this expression, A bar dot B bar. A bar dot B bar means we know A bar, we know B bar. Okay, now we are doing AND operation between these two. Dot means AND operation. So that is like a multiplication. Okay, that is like a multiplication. So 1 means 1, 1 means 0, 1 0, 0. Okay, Amma. Now plus AB, A dot B, A dot B. So now calculate A dot B also. A dot B. So we know A value, this is A, this is B. Now do the multiplication, 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1. Okay, now A bar B dot B bar is completed, A dot B is completed. Now we're doing the plus operation. Plus operation means OR operation. So A bar dot B bar, this is A bar dot B bar, this is A dot B. Now we are doing the plus operation between these two. That means OR operation. Plus means OR operation. A bar dot B bar plus A dot B. Okay, are you understand that? So now 1 0, that is plus operation. That's why 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1. Any one of the input is high, then the output is high. So what are the outputs here? 1 0 0 1. Okay, Amma. This is expression. For this expression, this is the truth table. Okay, Amma. This is the way to draw the truth table for this expression. Okay. So now see the truth table for XNOR gate. See, this is the truth table for XNOR gate. 1 0 0 1. Are you getting the same here? 1 0 0 1. Okay, 1 0 0 1. Here also 1 0 0 1. That means 0 0 output is 1. For 0 1 input, the output is 0. For 1 0 input, the output is 0. For 1 1 input, the output is 1. This is also same. Okay. Are you justified here? Are you justified? Both are same. Exclusive NOR A exclusive NOR B is equal to A bar dot B bar plus A dot B. Okay, Amma? So now draw the logical diagram here. Okay. So already we know how to draw the logical diagram. So how many variables are there? Only two variables, A and B. Okay, Amma? Only two variables, A and B. So draw the lines for each variable. This is the line for A. Okay, A variable. So if you connect a NOT gate here, what is this? A bar. Okay, ma. Next, this line belongs to B. If you connect a NOT gate to this, This is B bar. Okay. Now what is the expression here? A bar dot B bar. So take here. A bar. From where we are taking means at that place we are putting a dot. Okay. Dot. Highlight that place. Okay. So this is B bar. So A bar dot B bar. That means which gate is used? Dot is there. Which gate is used? AND gate. Okay, Amma? If you learn the gates, then this circuit is very easily to draw. Okay, Amma? What is this output? A bar dot B bar. Okay. Next, what is the term? A dot B. Okay. A dot B. A means taking from here. A, B. B line is this. A dot B. So, which gate? AND gate. Dot is there. Okay. Based on the operation, we know which gate is used. Okay. This is A dot B. So, total expression is A bar dot B bar plus A dot B. So A bar dot B bar is here, A dot B is here. Plus operation is there. So plus means which gate is used? OR gate. OR gate is used. So the expression, the final expression is A bar dot B bar plus A dot B. Okay, ma? Are you understand here how to draw logical circuit by using the gates? So the basic thing is compulsory you learn the logic gates, basic logic gates and universal gates symbol and the truth table. Then only you draw. Okay, ma? Are you understand? Now we are taking another expression. For that expression, how to draw the logical circuit. Okay, ma? Are you understand this? So now this will be erased and draw the another expression. Okay, now take the expression as y is equal to a plus b whole bar into a plus b plus c bar. Suppose if this will be there, then how to draw the logical circuit? Okay, so how many variables are here? 3 variables are there. So draw the line for each variable. So this is a. Whenever we are connecting NOT gate to this A, actually this is not necessary A bar because in the expression A bar is not there. Okay, that's why. So this is optional. Next, this line is for B. For this, if you connect NOT gate, this is B bar. Next C. 3 variables are there. Okay. This line is for C variable. So this is C bar. Now see the expression. What is the first term? A plus B whole bar. So first draw for A plus B. A plus B means take A and B. This is A, B. This is B. Okay. Here highlight this point. That means just darken this dot here from where we are taking the line. Okay. A plus B. A plus B means which gate is used? OR gate. Okay. This is the output. This is here what we are getting? A plus B. Okay, Amma. A plus B whole bar is there. How to get whole bar? By connecting NOT gate to this A plus B, then we are getting A plus B whole bar. Okay. Whole bar. Now, what is the second term? A plus B plus C bar. So, A, that means here, from here, A, B plus B. Three inputs are there. B, C bar. Where C bar? C bar is this. A plus B plus C bar. Plus is there. So, which gate is used? OR gate. Okay. What is this line? A plus B plus C bar. Okay, between these two terms, dot is there. Dot is there means which gate is used for these two? Dot. Dot means AND gate is used. Okay, Amma? AND gate is used. This is why, required why. Okay? Are you understand how to draw the circuit for any expression? Okay? If you learn the logic gates and truth tables, what are the expressions for each logic gate, then this is very easy to draw any expression. Okay, Amma? Are you understand? Like this, for any number of variables, we draw this circuit by using the logic gates. Okay? Okay, Amma. Thank you. So all of you try to take another expressions and draw the circuits. Okay. Today, all of you listen this video and all of you try to do for another expressions and taking number of variables like this and draw the logical circuit. Okay, Ma?